Hey there. In this video, I'd like to show you how easy it is to use ParsePrompt AI to generate an output from a web page. So imagine if you could summarize a web page with a single click of a button. Imagine if you could turn an audio file into a blog post or a YouTube video into a written summary. Well, ParsePrompt makes all of this easy. But in this video, I'm going to specifically show you how easy it is to summarize a web page using ParsePrompt. The first thing you're going to want to do is create an account and connect your OpenAI API keys, or if you're using Anthropic, you can connect their API keys. But the idea here is we are going to feed URLs into ParsePrompt, and we are going to then summarize that content from that web page using AI. So you can see here we have the prompt that is already created, and this is a prompt template specifically in ParsePrompt. And so what you can see here is here's how you can get up and running. Create a prompt, give it a name, give it an input source. So in this example, we have a web page, but you could include a PDF, a YouTube URL, or something else. And we want to generate an output. You could generate in markdown, JSON, or something else. And then you can pick your model. In this example, we're using the newest model from OpenAI. And you can provide how many tokens you want to generate, as well as the temperature. And then you can provide your instructions, right? So this is where we say to summarize the content from this web page. Okay, so this is our prompt. Now what we want to do is we want to process data against that prompt. So to make things fun and easy, I'm just going to take the ParsePrompt website, and I'm going to use that. I'm just going to give this give it a real name. We're going to input a URL, and we're going to parse this. Now, one important note here is I could technically upload and process many other web pages. So you can see here, I could upload a CSV filled with hundreds of web pages. I could run a batch process job. But what you can see here is we just generated the output here. And so what we did was we fed in this content here. We generated the output using AI. And you can see here, let's view the entire output. So in the analyze text portion, you can see this is just a text pulled from the web page. And you can see how this was summarized. What's really cool too is you can set up automation using Zapier so that you can push this output into Google Docs or Google Drive or basically any of 6,000 apps in the Zapier integration ecosystem. So it's pretty cool, and it makes it really easy. Let me show you one last quick thing. We have a Chrome extension too. And so what you can do is you can right-click, and if you have the ParsePrompt Chrome extension installed, you can process web pages with a single click of a button. Now what you can see is now the web page is coming through here. I could go to, let's say, I don't know, CNN. Let's go over here. I just clicked. Now I'm parsing CNN content. I'm also parsing the ParsePrompt website as well. So this might take a couple seconds. Sometimes it doesn't work super well depending on how many pop-ups you have, but you can see that we used the Chrome extension to pass in the web page and to generate a summarization. Let's see if it is able to generate anything for the CNN. Yep, you can see here. You can see the summary here as well. So yeah, in summary, ParsePrompt makes it really easy to take audio files, YouTube videos, web pages, PDFs, and other formats and turn it into an AI-generated summary based on the instructions that you provide. So if you want, you can sign up for a free ParsePrompt account. We offer a 7-day free trial, and pricing starts at $25 a month after that. But yeah, we make it really easy to process and generate AI outputs from different media formats. So you can repurpose content with a click of a button. Anyway, hopefully that makes sense. Hope you have a great rest of your day.